I'm not showing you this to discourage you. I'm trying to encourage you, meaning that if you do this, you can eventually become better, but you have to be willing to do this. If you're not willing to do this, it might not be for you, right? Maybe other content, but just look at this. So here's on my other screen, I have my unsorted game videos. Okay. This is from this stream. This is what's currently recording. This is my last clip. Okay. There's that. So boom, I'm gonna take that. First thing I'll do is I'll label this like, watch, like right here. Okay. Like there's a lot of different ways to do this. I take that video you just saw, I pop it into my editor, then I export it, and boom, it's right here. Okay, it's at the bottom, and I make it to the TikTok, Instagram, or Reels, I guess, and YouTube Shorts format. Okay, bada bing, that's what this is. Okay, that's this right here. I made it into that format where I basically just move my keyboard to the bottom and my head to the top, and I make the middle of it filled in, and the bottom is blurred. Okay, so do all that. And then this is the next step. You guys can see right here. Look, so this one's like, I thought it'd be funny, like to like, you know, oh look, don't eat this. That's the original clip, right?
Queso.
Like, oh look, that's way too expensive. Too expensive. Don't eat it. Like I just, you know, whatever, funny little clip. Now I have to have a beginning, right, that I put over that. Okay, so here this is. Here's the beginning.
Never eat this in Fortnite. Not worth it at all. Way too expensive.
You see what I'm saying? Just like something. Now, in order to get that clip, that's me sitting here recording and editing that together, which takes a solid 10-15 minutes. And I edit that together, and then I put them on top of each other, and then here's the completed product up here. I always put like complete or something like this.
Do you want free Fortnite coaching? That is something I offer. Doesn't matter to me what skill level you are, as long as you want to get better. And I'm friendly. Comment if you're interested in some free.
So you know what I'm saying? So like that's basically how the process is. Now you're like, wow, that's a lot. All right, well, I'm trying to post 2 times a day on 3 different social medias minimum. So whenever I ask you, do you like post to other socials? It's like you got to have some sort of a grind here, or someone like myself will outwork you into being more successful, and then you'll never get seen. It's like, if you're not willing to do that, bro, forget it. It's a lot, right? I've been doing this for 4.5 years, and I struggle to get more than 10 viewers. So are you prepared for 5 years to have that grind and get no viewers?